What's up YouTube, this is Manuel and welcome to another video of Life's Lessons Sneakers. Today we're going to be featuring the Air Jordan 11 Low IE and Space Jam colorway. So stick around. Before we continue with the video, I just want to apologize for uploading our videos late because I was traveling the past few days. These Jordan 11s are actually the OG Jordan 11 lows, which was released in 1995. If you've seen my video about the Jordan 11 Low IE that we have given away earlier this year, I gave a brief history of that silhouette. Basically, Tinker Hatfield and Jordan Brand wanted a summer Jordan 11 and they don't want to have the exact replica of the Jordan 11s. Hence, they decided to do this Jordan 11 Low IE. So without further ado, let's open this box. So it comes with your OG Jordan 11 box. As you can see, Air Jordan and then the Jumpman logo in the center. This was actually the OG boxes of the Jordan 11s. So let's open it. Here it is, the Jordan 11 Low IE and Space Jam colorway. The Space Jam colorway has been one of the most iconic colorway of the Air Jordan brand. It was popularized by Michael Jordan on his movie Space Jam. So now let's check out the details of these sneakers and see what's special about these. The base of the sneakers is made out of mesh material, while on the toe box you will see this smooth leather panel. It's very buttery, soft to the touch. And then on top of the toe box, you will see this stitching, which is kind of weird, you know. I'm not really digging this stitching because it doesn't really blend well with the mesh. However, I mean, this is a signature of the Jordan 11 Low IE, this stitching. So, I mean, yeah, that's why it's there. Then you have this overlay panel of the patent leather, as you can see. And then the base of the sneakers, as I mentioned, is in mesh. Inside the patent leather, you will see a lot of cutouts all around the sneakers. This serves as a vent for these sneakers because this was made actually for summer. Meaning, if I'm not mistaken, this is the most breathable Air Jordans that they ever made. It's actually see-through. You can see it from outside. So better wear some socks when you wear these sneakers. And then moving up to the tongue, it's a combination between mesh material and leather. The top of the tongue is in leather with the Concord or blue Air Jordan Jumpman logo. The ankle collar and the back of the tongue is actually made out of this neoprene-like material. And the inside of the sneakers have the same material. And as you can see, there's a Jumpman logo in white in the insole. Moving down the sneakers, you will see this typical Air Jordan 11 midsole in white. In the bottom of the sneakers, you will see this icy-soled and some herringbone pattern in Concord on the forefoot and on the heel. You also see this carbon fiber shank plate in the middle, which is typical to all the Jordan 11s. The laces are in round rope laces, which is actually quite thinner than the original Air Jordan 11s. Not sure if they are cost-cutting, but yeah, it looks so thin compared to the other Air Jordan 11s. Overall, I still love these sneakers. I think this is one of the best colorways of the Jordan 11 Low IE. I still like the original version or the original colorway, which is in bread cement colorway. But this is actually not that bad. Although it feels a little weird to have the patent leather on these sneakers. I think this is the first time that they incorporated patent leather on the Jordan 11 Low IEs. This is definitely a very clean sneakers and this is something that you could wear casually, not only for playing basketball because it's so breathable with all these air vents around the sneakers. This is definitely a clean sneakers and I can't wait to lace them up and show you guys how it look on feet. So guys, how do you like these sneakers? Does it look nice on feet? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Overall, I really love these sneakers. I like the colorway, I like the silhouette, and I like how it fit. I was just surprised that these were sitting on shelves when I bought them. And I think until now, they're still sitting. Probably because the Jordan 11 Low I.E are not really a popular silhouette from the Jordan brand. However, for me, it's still a Jordan 11, it still look good. So I really don't have any issues about these. The retail price of these sneakers is $170 US, and I'm sure it's not gonna be that high on resale. It fits true to size. I'm a regular size 10, and I took a size 10. So the question, is it worth it to have these sneakers? Well, if you can get it on retail, definitely it is a worth it sneakers. This is definitely a cop for me. But I won't recommend these sneakers if you're gonna pay for a very high resale price for this sneaker. Like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.